Have you somehow gotten access to RTI 681, ready to play your favourite onboard announcements, only to get ratioed by the gibberish file names? The good news, I'm here to help explain what they mean and how they work. So as usual, if you found this helpful, comment below French toast and hit that subscribe button like Chris Brown hit react. The first to explain are the first 2 to 3 letters. These are the line code, and there are 40 line codes within the 681 folder. The first set of numbers is what we call a route number. This is how we can identify different routes with different stopping patterns. For example, FGQR-14-01
Mitchelton Station. This is a Brisbane City and Roma Street train, stopping all stations.
will be entirely different to FGQR-15-01
Ferny Grove Station. This is a Brisbane City and Currabee train, stopping all stations.
The final set of numbers is your announcement number. This number dictates where in the queue your announcement sits. For example, CBQR-41-01 will be your route start announcement.
Nambour Station. This is a Brisbane City and Roma Street train, running express from Caboolture to Northgate, stopping only at Petrie.
This then will mean that CBQR-41-02 will be the first next station announcement within the list.
This is a Brisbane City and Roma Street train, running express from Caboolture to Northgate, stopping only at Petrie. The next station is Woombai.
On some announcements, there will be an extra letter on the end. For example, SHQR-19-40. This means that if it has the letter B on it, it is the second revision to the current announcement number. For context, we will play SHQR-19-40 as well as SHQR-19-40B.
This is a Cannon Hill train, stopping all stations. The next station is Park Road. Customers for the Beenleigh line, please change trains at Park Road. This is a Cannon Hill train, stopping all stations. The next station is Park Road. Customers for the Beenleigh or Gold Coast lines, please change trains at Park Road.
This means that naming them is important. Just name them. I'm naming them. You can name them too.